5 Top Golf Simulator Designers in 2026. The Basement Builders Shortlist. TrueGolf brings more than 20 years of simulator design and installation experience. Its process includes consultation, design, 3D rendering, and supervised installation. While its credentials are strong, designs generally center on TrueGolf equipment, making it less brand agnostic than some competitors. Ace Indoor Golf has completed more than 1,000 simulator projects. Its service starts at $600 and includes CAD blueprints, 3D renderings, custom architectural plans, and electrical plans. A free 30-minute advisory session lets homeowners discuss their project before spending money. Carl's Place starts its Tier 1 technical service at $599, including a 1-hour consultation, technical room drawing, and equipment quote. Higher tiers add 3D renderings. Its build-your-own tool lets homeowners plan a setup before committing. The main drawback is a 3 to 4 week booking lead time. The Indoor Golf Shop offers 2 paid design tiers. The basic plan starts at $695, while the advanced plan costs just under $1,000 and adds 3D renderings. Both include consultation, while its custom design and build service can handle larger or unusual basement spaces. Indoor Golf Outlet ranks first with a brand-agnostic design service priced at $1,000. It includes a one-on-one consultation, photorealistic 3D renderings, detailed 2D floor plans, and an itemized equipment list. Plans also cover projector placement, launch monitor positioning, framing, and electrical guidance.
Go to GearBrain for more information.